In this video, I will be graphing a tangent function. In order to begin the graph, we need to determine these values. The a value is -2, the b value is 3, the h value is pi/3, k value is 3. In order to determine the amplitude, you need the absolute value of a. In this case, it'll be 2. Period of the tangent graph is pi/3, but period of cosine will be 2pi/3. In order to graph this, we have to graph cosine first. Any zeros on the cosine graph will equal vertical asymptotes on the tangent graph. We have to start at pi/3, and each interval will be spaced out pi/6. So the next one is pi/2, 2pi/3, 5pi/6, pi, 7pi/6, 4pi/3, 3pi/2, and then 5pi/3. Because of the k value is 3, that is where the sinusoidal axis will be. Since the amplitude is 2, you have to go 2 above for the maximum, which will be 5, and 2 below for the minimum, which will be 1. Now we have to graph cosine. We will start at the minimum. Then you go to the sinusoidal axis, then you go to the maximum, back to the sinusoidal axis, to the minimum, and you just continue that pattern. Any point that was on the sinusoidal axis now becomes an asymptote for the tangent graph. Any point that wasn't a 0 now becomes a 0 for the tangent graph. And then you just approach every asymptote. And that is how you graph a tangent function.